So I'm a huge SublimeText fan. I use SublimeText all day, every day for all of my web application development, and it never ceases to amaze me. And one of the features that is particularly elegant, in my opinion, is the extended find and replace. And that's because not only does it provide a list of search results, but it also provides a sort of living document that you can continue to interact with and mutate as part of your search algorithms. So to demonstrate, we can see in this script file here that I have this bar method and it's calling my method. And now maybe I'm interested to see where my method is being called or defined. So I'm going to open up the extended find and we're going to look for some sort of invocation style looking token here. And this brings up the find results page, which I'm sure most of you have seen at this point. And this works exactly like you would expect it to. You can either click on the file paths and it will open up the match, or you can click on the actual match and it will open up the target file as well. Now, what you might not realize is that you can actually start to edit this document and move things around, and the search results will continue to work just as you would expect. So for example, I can cut this out because I'm in this document, so I know that's the one I'm already in. I'm not interested in it. And as I move these things around, what you'll see is that these continue to work, right? Now I can even cut these and paste them in a different order, and what you'll see is that they continue to work. So there's some really interesting functionality that you can start to do, because maybe you can actually start to treat the find results as a to-do list. So let's to-do search for bar, because we see we have some sort of bar going on here. We want to search for Baz. And so let's do the bar one first. So let's get rid of that. And now let's search for bar. And we can see that we have here's something interesting. It's happening in a couple different places. So, what's this init? So now let's just add another to-do item here. Search for init. So that's all that's interesting for bar. So we can get rid of all the bar results, get rid of my to-do for bar, and now we have our to-do for init. So we can start to search for init to see where that might be invoked, and we can see that it's just being defined here. But again, all of these links continue to work inside of the search results, even though I've been mutating it with arbitrary text and copying, and you can see pasting things around, and everything just continues to work. So sometimes when you're working on a complex project and you're trying to wrap your head around how a bunch of code fits together, sometimes it's nice to do a bunch of successive extended finds to get a lay of the land, but then at the same time add notes to the find results page, as well as moving things around that might require some additional investigation. And you might just not realize that the find results works like that in SublimeText. So I wanted to throw together a quick demo and really just showcase how awesome I think SublimeText is and why I use it every day.